a tie on. You got married.
What's going?
Poor Kristen. Don't knock your soda over.
No, I kicked my wife out. Wait, well, how much was that? 1, 2, 3.
What?
Wait, Kristen,
My life ain't getting any better. How much do you owe? Wait, did you just pass the payday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, did you pass one before? I don't think I paid you.
Yeah, you didn't pay me that
I'm
one.
sorry.
So I'm not as far as I thought I was. I want to pay those off.
Alright.
Your wife is on the road.
2, 3,
I don't. My wife is over
5.
here.
You have
My wife. No, my wife's got to drive.
1, 2, 50.
I have to be in the back.
25,
I can
50,
get myself
75, 100. You can give me
We
all
are
that
playing
money
a game called Life. See, Life. Maybe
I better
that.
not land on anything else.
Kristen is getting her ass whooped.
Casey's married to her wife. Kristen's married to her wife. I'm married to my gay husband. So yeah, I got 3 kids.
You know, it'd be really
And
upsetting.
she adopted.
Yes, 2 out of
If I
5.
slipped
No,
the
I
door.
will.
That is looked in wrong. Okay, sorry. No, I went between you and I looked in wrong.
You are gross.
Not with you, your sticky hands.
Yeah. Excuse me, my sticky hands. She was playing footsie.
You kept rubbing the bottom of my foot. I was slipping. It's your fault.
Lies.
Who knows
My
now?
foot is just that
Is it Kim's?
Kristen, I'm recording this because all the conversations we have are funny.
You go!
Okay. I go here.
Take the camera then. Don't turn it off. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah! I got 10.
Oh,
Oh,
damn.
9. I got 9. Not 10. No, I get 10. Oh.
Because she bought a stock.
We're like that. Oh, there I am.
Where's my car?
3, 4,
Move!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10 then.
Oh, 10. Yeah, good.
Beep, 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 beep.
You beeping at 40.
Now, what's it say?
I gotta pay 30. And I don't have any 30.
Just give me the 20 and the 40.
There's
You have 40 right there. In your hand. In your hand,
Oh,
Kim.
40 here.
I'm a cop,
I'll have
and I have no money because I've been spending them on donuts and owing people.
And her house got burgled.
And I'm a cop, and my house got freaking broken into, and I had
I
to
got a
buy.
3! With my little yellow
Yay.
And, and I had to buy a home gym because I've been eating so many goddamn donuts.
Look at it. Look at it. It's 100. Ow!
My camera bites.
I'm an athlete, and I have this thing called insurance. That Kristen was stupid and didn't get.
Insurance is for losers.
You just had to pay like $150,000 total because you didn't have insurance.
Kristen, learn how to hold your camera.
Yeah.
You're like this.
All right, Kristen, you go. I'll take it.
No, don't kill it.
Break it.
Could you not break my game? What's that?
5.
It's a 5.
What does that say?
Then again, it's not in the lead.
I am not in the...
That was me that fell out. Kristen fell out. You find you?
There I am. I fell out of the bed. I can't,
Kristen's too
okay.
lazy. She makes her wife drive her underwear.
She's a very bad driver, by the way.
You gotta spin again. Don't kill it. I get 10! No, that's damn it!
That's me.
Shut up!
Phone?
Well, you don't have to pay it because you're speeding. Yeah.
Alright.
Who was that? Because I'm
2, 3,
speeding.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Spin again if not in the lead, but you're in the lead. You passed 2
Damn.
paydays. Hold this. That means how much? 1.
I swear if I got that paid taxes, I was going to kill myself.
So your taxes are only 30.
Okay, I got money now. I can't spend it on donuts.
Liar. You will.
Shut up.
I got 4.
They don't know that.
Go foe.
2, 3, 4.
You got a payday!
See, look at all their money.
Move me 5!
And then my money. Okay? Stupid cop business.
I owe you 5?
Move me 5!
Look how much life she has.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, son of a bitch. What's that? Have cosmetic surgery. That was the wife, I swear!
Who says to have cosmetic surgery?
My wife had cosmetic surgery. She had
Sure wasn't you?
No, it wasn't me. You go!
You better hold those on top at night. Or all that.
They're not gonna pop! They're real! They're
You
not
never know.
Your wife, I mean.
Oh, my wife, yeah.
Yeah.
I better hope those don't
You
pop.
got like a drip going down there.
10!
Don't use
Move
pointy
10.
objects around her.
Remember on Mansers they tried to do that?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
2 paydays. You keep just jumping.
Maybe there's a reason.
I can't get in. Help! I've fallen and I can't get up. That is gonna fall over by
Is that recording my boob?
No, it's recording your boobs and you. So.
My boobs are big. Like looking at it like they like.
All right, wait, Kim, you go.
I go. Okay.
2.
1, 2.
Son of a bitch.
Give me my freaking 100,000. Thank you.
Well, it was nice while it lasted.
Which wasn't very long. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trade salary cards!
Oh God, that's
I
funny.
hate you. I hate you.
I get a payday on the 20 though.
My turn?
Yes.
Kristen, you're a cop. What the hell's wrong
Yeah!
with you?
Fix it!
Nah.
Oh,
3! Move 3.
gonna get my gay husband up your
Does
ass.
it say
Support Wildlife Fund.
Whoa, Kim,
That's exactly how you would want to go too. Don't look at it.
Sorry.
You bad person. You don't look at what happened to your life.
I didn't take it that way, but hold on.
Kim, go. Like I didn't like the sticky hands
I go
comment.
now? Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
you go. You go to millionaire estates, Kristen?
I don't know.
I don't think you should.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
No, it was there.
That wasn't. I was over here.
Okay, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3,
No,
4.
1. No, you were there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm
You
sorry.
make me pay money? No.
Maybe I think I'll just,
I don't care
have a
about my
crappy
goddamn
life.
children.
Here, take that.
I want my money.
Take that. Don't let it go. 8. You son of a bitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spin again if not in the lead. I'm not.
Babe, 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 babe.
Your voice is hot.
Goddamn.
My wife is driving sideways.
She was driving backwards.
That's not possible. Wait, why'd I get money?
2,
Oh, 10.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wait. I gotta choose. I'm going to millionaire. I'm retired. So I give this back.
I thought you said I'm retarded.
I am.
Look how far I am to catch up.
All right. All right, Kristen. I'll let you go in a second. Give me a second. Okay. Give me this.
What the hell is on?
Oh, this
Is it a Disney song?
Yes, it is. I'll change it.
1, 2, 3, 4. What does that say?
No, this one. I was on that one. That one?
Yeah.
Invest. Oh, you can't read that. Invest in e-commerce company. Pay $55,000. You should. You.
If only you were one more behind, you had to pay me though. Why are you driving backwards?
Seriously.
What the hell's wrong with
Oh,
your
you get
wife?
a 50.
She's all screwed up in the head.
Your wife is on crack. I'm sorry.
She does everything backwards.
Surprised with that crack.
You go, Kim.
Yeah.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Payday.
Yay, pay again. With my money. A 20. Thank you.
Oh, I go.
turn,
No, I don't go. I retired.
Oh, yeah.
Kristen.
Yo.
Hold on, you gotta look
10.
up. Where are you? There you are.
Wait, I'm gonna ruin my life and go to millionaire.
Are you? You can if you want.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to challenge. I think I have more money than you.
Beep, 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 beep.
Screw you! Now who's who?
I don't know. I can end up with your wife.
Oh shit! Or you can end up with me. Even worse.
I got it too.
I can't wait to watch this.
Oh my god, it's gonna be a second. Alright, put that there.
So you gotta read no one.
It's not gonna be. Your wife jumped. She's mad at you. I don't want to be on bottom.
Oh, you dropped money.
Oh, damn. Live with it.
You go, Kim.
See, the car's having sex.
Oh.
I need a piece of paper.
Alright, spin now. I got a 2. What does that say?
Ooh, the battery's running
Not in the
low.
lead. Oh, yay.
You got a payday?
No,
you do.
I already got to
8.
pay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You're a grandparent.
Yeah!
You get a life. You have like a whole stack of
Oh my
these.
god, Kim. I think Kim's gonna win. And I'm gonna lose because I have no life. I have 3, that's it. No, 4.
I have 4 too, so.
Do I spin again because I'm not retired yet?
Stop doing that.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Pay 55,000.
Okay.
Take your 10. Oh, you're not a cop anymore. You're retired, so just go.
No more
You going to
donuts
millionaire?
for me. Kim,
You going to millionaire or countryside?
What's countryside?
Means you don't compete for the 4 life.
Screw that, I'm doing this.
All right.
Kim, look at your family.
No.
She got grandparents. All right, Kristen, you got to sit there and count your money, and then tell me which life. All right, I want to read the lives. I found the solution to pollution.
Wait, I have to count my money?
Yeah.
What about me?
I also found a new energy source.
I'm recording Casey right now.
I climbed Mount Everest, and I designed a new computer. I did good for whatever I was. I don't remember. Athlete. For an athlete, that's pretty good.
Stop yelling. I think Chris is trying to concentrate.
18. 20.
Hurry up! Oh my god, he
damn.
takes so. I messed her up.
200,000, 300,000.
All right, give me a sec. You have 300,000?
Yeah.
That's it? Even?
Yeah.
I think.
That was weird.
950?
all I
950?
Here, Kristen.
1 million?
Why?
I don't know.
150?
Wait, hold on.
I have 1 million and...
Ow! No, that's towards your boob. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna hold it up.
Thanks.
Alright, Kristen, what do you got for life?
Should I check my lives?
Oh yeah, with the life, whatever's on them, do you get the money that's on the back of them too?
Yes.
Okay, just wondering.
Yeah, check your lives.
Now? Right
Yeah,
now?
let's go.
Yes.
Write great American novel.
Damn you!
Oh,
How
yeah.
much was that one? 150.
150.
Yeah.
Invent new ice cream flavor. Called donuts. Cause I'm a cop.
As if that needed explaining.
Toy invention sells big. 150. Open health food chain. And I'm a cop who ate donuts. 100.
Alright, hey.
Here.
I gotta go count my money.
That's contradicting what I...
5, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Right.
7.
Wait.
Kirsten, I owned your ass. Including your lives. This alone annihilated us.
I threw my lives at you.
Apparently, because you have none. You got no lives now. Don't! No! Hey!
I destroyed your van again.
Can you stop doing that? That means I win all these, so I also became president!
What a weenie. I created a novel.
Screw you. Crap. Alright, so 150.
I want to play
Okay,
again.
so 1100.
I want to actually have a life this time.
1200. 1400. 14 is $2,150,000.
No one likes a prick.
Screw you. Kim, I can add this all up for you.
Already doing it.
Alright, what'd you do? And you gotta tell me for how much.
Humanitarian award, yay! Cop 100,000. Yeah.
Just tell me like 100, 250, 50.
Oh, I want to read it.
Yeah, you can. No, I don't need you to say 1,000.
I don't know what that says. I can't read it.
Pulitzer Prize.
What the hell's that?
I don't know. It's a government.
It's a book thing.
Another 100,000. Invent new sport, 50,000. Yeah.
Oh, she invented a new sport. Like today.
Yeah, there's Apple Ball right there. Or
Yeah, I want Dancing with the Stars, because it says win dance contest, 50,000.
I love this song.
What's this? Build better mousetraps, 50,000. Family horse.
This is gonna be one Disney
family
video.
Horse win dare what?
Wins Derby.
Derby, yay, 150.
Derby?
150, 100, whatever it is.
Okay, 150,000. Is that it? Or
Oh no,
one more?
discover a new planet, 100,000.
Who wins in lives?
I'm looking. Give me a sec.
Kim.
5,
I would laugh
8.
if Kim won.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, screw this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 28.
Don't screw up.
Shut up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
No, I still win.
Kim! Alright, Kim. Oh. Kristen came in last place with a total score of $750,000.
I have no life, you guys.
Kim came in second with a score of $1,185,000.
Oh, there's such
And me! I won with a total
I'm
score
not showing your
of
face because you're not important.
$2,150,000 because I'm that amazing.
Her face is not important, so I will not.
Hey, at least I got children and a gay husband. You leave me alone.
Who wants to own me?